Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll how to use AceOS Voice Wave with FL Studio. So let's start. So first you have to launch FL Studio and click on options in the left menu here, and then choose the audio settings and then select speaker as you can see here, and then turn on the Ace Voice Wave and you are all set. So that is how you can start changing your voice on FL Studio. I think it is very easy. Also, you can check how you can do it. Small, well, calm down and check if there is an option that you can fix your voice there. Here, as you can see, it's very easy to do it. Just change it and you can start on setting on this app. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.